The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. As we grow older, our muscles naturally begin to weaken. Scientists estimate that we lose up to 8% of muscle mass every decade after midlife. This gradual decline doesn't just make daily tasks harder, it increases the risk of falls, fractures, and even serious health complications. But here's the surprising truth. The same morning cup of coffee you already enjoy can actually help fight back against this muscle loss if you know what to add to it. Hidden in research and often overlooked by big corporations, there are natural ingredients that can transform ordinary coffee into something extraordinary, a drink that supports strength, energy, and longevity. These additions have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect your heart, melt stubborn belly fat, and even help rebuild muscle tissue. It's the kind of simple, affordable secret that doesn't make pharmaceutical companies rich, which might be why you've never heard about it before. Today, you'll discover how to turn your daily coffee into a natural medicine for your body, using ingredients that are safe, accessible, and backed by science. Stay with me until the end because one of these ingredients has been proven to improve mobility in seniors by more than 40%, yet very few people in the West know about it. Before we start, take a second to reflect. How's your health lately? Where are you watching from? Drop a quick comment below. I love hearing your stories. Now, let's explore the first simple change that can make a world of difference. One of the easiest ways to give your coffee a health upgrade is by adding cinnamon. Most people only think of it as a dessert spice, but when it's stirred into your morning brew, it becomes a powerful protector for your muscles and metabolism. Cinnamon contains compounds that calm inflammation, boost circulation, and, most importantly, help balance blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar means your muscles get steady energy instead of crashing through highs and lows, a crucial benefit as we age. Take the example of John, a 68-year-old who used to feel drained after lunch and noticed his legs getting weaker every week. His wife encouraged him to try adding a pinch of cinnamon to his coffee. At first, he laughed it off, but after a few weeks, his afternoon slumps disappeared, his legs felt lighter, and even his blood sugar dropped by nearly 20 points. His doctor was amazed, all from one small daily habit. Research confirms this effect. When blood sugar spikes and crashes, it prevents muscles from absorbing nutrients effectively, speeding up fatigue and muscle loss. But cinnamon helps smooth out those spikes, providing a stable fuel source for your body throughout the day. You don't need much. Just half a teaspoon mixed into your morning cup can do wonders. For best results, use Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon, which has lower levels of certain compounds that can be harsh in high amounts. Unlike sugary creamers, it adds no calories, no insulin spikes, and no artificial chemicals. It's a natural way to turn your regular coffee into a muscle-supporting, metabolism-boosting drink. Simple, safe, and surprisingly effective. Another simple yet powerful addition to your morning coffee is pure cocoa powder. Not the sugary chocolate mix you find in cafes, but real, unsweetened cocoa. It's one of nature's richest sources of antioxidants called flavonoids, which help protect your muscles and blood vessels from damage caused by aging and stress. Cocoa can improve blood circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to flow more efficiently to your muscles. Better circulation means your body repairs tissue faster after activity, helping you stay stronger and more active even as you age. Studies also show that cocoa can enhance mood and energy, giving you that gentle mental lift without any crash later in the day. You only need a teaspoon in your coffee. The slightly bitter flavor blends beautifully with the coffee aroma, and over time, you'll notice a smoother, more satisfying taste, along with more steady energy throughout the morning. To make it even more effective, combine your coffee with a spoon of coconut oil or MCT oil. These natural oils are packed with healthy fats that your body converts directly into fuel. Instead of being stored as fat, MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, go straight to the liver and become instant energy for your brain and muscles. Many people who switch to this combination say they no longer feel that mid-morning crash. Their minds stay sharp and their body feels lighter and more alert. That's because MCT oil supports ketone production, a natural energy source that's cleaner than sugar or carbs. Over time, this helps reduce fat buildup, balance hormones, and even support a healthy metabolism. If you've ever tried skipping breakfast and felt dizzy or tired, this small change could be a game changer. Adding a teaspoon of coconut oil to your coffee creates a creamy texture while giving your body long-lasting fuel, especially helpful for those over 50 who need steady energy without straining digestion. And speaking of creaminess, let's talk about milk alternatives, because what you mix into your coffee matters more than most people realize. Regular milk can be difficult for many adults to digest, especially as we age and lose the enzyme needed to break down lactose. This can cause bloating, fatigue, or unwanted weight gain. Instead, you can switch to soy milk, almond milk, or oat milk. Among these, soy milk stands out because it's naturally rich in plant-based protein, a key nutrient for preserving muscle strength. It also contains isoflavones, compounds that support bone density and help regulate hormones, especially in older adults. A cup of soy milk provides around 7 grams of protein, nearly as much as a small egg, which means it helps your muscles rebuild and stay firm. Combine that with the antioxidants from coffee, and you're giving your body a strong defense against both aging and fatigue. If you prefer a lighter taste, oat milk is another great option. It adds a natural sweetness without added sugar and contains beta-glucans, which are excellent for heart health. The goal isn't to make your coffee fancy, it's to make it functional. With small swaps like these, your daily drink turns into a mini health booster that keeps your body strong and your energy steady throughout the day.